Hello, good morning, friends. Dear students, in paper 10, the history of English language. Remember that, not history of English literature. Between this and history of English literature means those are the from Chaucer to the postmodern age of Chaucer, Renaissance, Shakespeare, Elizabethan age, or you can say that age of Ben Jonson, Jacobean age, Puritan age of Milton. Yes, friends, and then you can say the transition period or age of Dr. Samuel Johnson, age of Wordsworth, the romantic revival, restoration age, neoclassical age of Pope, Victorian age, modern age, and postmodern age. These are the history of English literature. But we discuss about the in paper 10 history of English language. And here in history of English language, discuss about that there are three old English period, middle English period, and modern English period. In the landmark of history of English language, we discuss in unit one later on. But dear friend, in paper 10, we completed two units. Those are the lengthy units we completed. First one is a linguistic knot of Fentish linguistic knots. Okay, sandwich, Heracles, then loons, swastiks, and khakis, and many more dear friends, kindergarten, and those are the 20 linguistic knots. And we also discuss unit 3, those are the 7 short knots, idiomatic phrase, development of dictionary, development of because dialect, influence of ARC, homophones, homonyms. And these are because understand the 7 short notes. And now there are the 2 unit based ones. The next video I will start the first unit was there are 3 questions. Origin of English language, general characteristic of English language, and third one is landmark of English language. But before that, because I think that university or there are a number of the possibilities. It is possible that the arrangement of online exam. And you know, dear friends, online exam is based on MCQ, multiple choice based question. There was one single question and 4 options. And that's why to prepare that after, if, after the completion of the each topic or the part of the topic, sub part of the topic, we can say that some of the my video become the length of 40, 60 minutes. And then it parts becomes some part I divided in 12 or 20 or 30, 40 minutes because it is difficulty of the technical glitches or you can say technical you can say the limitation in on WhatsApp it's difficult to send a video more than 50 minutes. That's why I have to arrange the four parts and you enjoy that. First of all, enjoy the literature or history of the language. Later on we learn and then next we can appear in the exam. Okay, today dear friends, I can set a 10 question from those. I said the little taste of 10 question of paper 10, history of English literature. Those questions, if you have prepared the list of questions, if you prepare the list of the questions from the paper 10, you read all the questions from up to the evening. At the evening, I put the one quiz of 10 or 15 questions of MCQ, just like online exam, from 2 units. Those are the linguistic notes. Just we ask from where the word okay derived. Sometimes we ask what is the origin of that word. Then we can what is the root of that word. We can say to which language that words belong to. This kind of those are the questions I have to already ask in the group. I can ask this type of question. And you need four, the same way. You need three, a short note. I also ask the same type of the question. What is the meaning of homonyms or something? Give example of reality. The other side, what is the difference between of you can say that we have to give the example of idiomatic phrase. Well, if like this kind of question, 10 or 15, just we can say it is a teller before the we can say and then the next day we start the new topic. Afterward, don't worry about the other. You can complete it. Those are the lengthy topics. The rest of the topics are very simple. And in the one day, I can put the part of the whole the question. Even that video becomes 40 or 50 minutes. I put the part and all the four parts I shared with you in the group. And once I request to you that, you can also watch the video on YouTube. And if you want to write down any kind of the comments, any kind of the query, you have to write down that on the comments of the video. Please like and you can say that subscribe the channel of our college because it is also useful for the university record. Our YouTube video are also that's why I have to start the you have to write down the you have to like or share the YouTube video. I humbly request you. First of that is subscribe our channel of our college, Dhanira College YouTube channel. Second, we watch the video because I make the each and every part I put in the you can say that on YouTube channel. Watch there. And you also write down any comment if you want whoever further query. Our group is going on. Once again, I request for all of that two because now we start for our online exam preparation with a mini quiz. Mini quiz of paper. Mini, you can say that paper mini for and unit quiz. At least the 10 or 15 question of MCQ. Okay, you are ready for it. At evening time, you can prepare. Okay, friends. Thank you. Best of luck. And and best wishes for the quiz. Okay.